Hello everyone, this is John here with you, and in this video I'm about to show you one of my favorite process in PlentyTrade.com. How to monitor your PlentyFolio. If you've created your portfolio, which we call PlentyFolio, and added the systems to your demo account, Demo EA, all you have to do is to monitor and adjust your positions. You can read about how to create a PlentyFolio in the previous tutorials. To get to your account, you must be logged in. After logging in, you will see your account displaying various statistical metrics and useful features. This switch is turned on by default. If you don't want to open new positions, push the switch to the left. As a result, the dot turns orange, indicating that no new positions are opening. Here you can close all currently open and not yet executed positions. This would be conceivable, for example, if market influencing data is issued and you don't want to have any open positions in your PlentyFolio before. To view all the individual systems of your demo account, open the Trading System list by clicking on the All Systems button on the right side of the website. Now you'll be shown all existing systems of your demo account. If you have not yet added a system to your demo account, this will also be displayed with a note. In the Trading System list, you now have the option of pausing each strategy, closing it, adjusting risk per trade in percentage, looking at the results of that system, or closing an open position. Click on the X button to remove the strategy from your Demo EA. All open orders or positions are closed. With the Pause button, you can stop the execution of the strategy. After a click, the button turns into a Start button and changes its color to orange. No new positions will be opened now. Existing positions will continue to be monitored until they're completed. To start the system once more, click the Start button again. With the button Close Open Positions, you close an open position. To do this, however, you must first switch on the slide switch under Watch. If you want to change the position size of a system, you can set this via the minus or plus keys. The Pause button then turns into the orange Start button and no new positions are opened. To apply your changed settings regarding risk, click on the Start button again. If you've convinced yourself of the quality of our platform, you can have the signals of the individual systems sent to your MT4 account. For this, you need our PlentyTrade software. You can get it via subscription or sponsored by one of our partner brokers. The exact order conditions can be found by clicking the link in the description of this video. If you're a subscriber to our software, set the switch in your account to Plenty EA. After that, as already tested in the demo account, create your PlentyFolio and send the signals to your MT4 account. The functionality is exactly the same as when you could test it with your demo account, Demo EA. Detailed instructions on how to install the Plenty EA in your MT4 account can be found at the link below.